Are you looking for a way to easily monitor changes in legal documents? In this video, we'll explore how Browse AI makes tracking these changes simple, allowing you to stay on top of important legal updates with minimal effort. Browse AI is a powerful tool that helps you automate web scraping and monitor any changes to legal documents you rely on. Whether it's contracts, case law updates, or any legal content available online, Browse AI does the heavy lifting so you don't have to keep checking manually. Let's break it down. First, the software allows you to set up browsers, which are essentially AI-powered agents that can be trained to monitor specific web pages. This is perfect for legal professionals, researchers, or anyone who needs to track evolving content on the web. The best part? You don't need to be a technical expert to get started. Once you've set up your browser on a web page containing the legal document, Browse AI will automatically notify you of any changes. It works by detecting differences between the current version and the previous version of the document, which means you won't waste time sifting through pages yourself. The AI does the job, flagging updates, amendments, or revisions in real time. Now, here's a great tip. Browse AI allows you to set up multiple monitors across different documents, so you can stay informed about everything happening in your legal world without jumping between sites. If you're managing multiple legal projects or tracking several contracts, this feature will be invaluable for streamlining your workflow. Another awesome benefit is the flexibility of the tool. Browse AI can monitor virtually any type of web page, so if you're tracking legal documents from public websites, law firms, or even court databases, it'll work seamlessly. Plus, you can choose how frequently you'd like to receive updates, daily, weekly, or as soon as a change occurs. I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but it's probably complicated to set up. That's where Browse AI stands out. The setup is user-friendly, and you'll be guided through it step by step. You can create an automation within minutes, and once that's done, Browse AI will take care of the rest. But here's the best part. You can try Browse AI completely free. You'll get full access to the platform without paying a penny. Thanks to the exclusive bonus I'm offering today, just click the link below to unlock your free trial and start monitoring your legal documents with zero risk. To recap, Browse AI simplifies your life by tracking changes in legal documents and keeping you updated in real time. Whether you're working with contracts, terms of service, or case law, Browse AI makes it easy to stay on top of things. And remember, you can sign up now for an extended free trial through the link below. Don't miss out. Make sure to hit that link and start monitoring your legal documents with Browse AI today. Thanks for watching.